Hello everyone. In one of my earlier video, I talked about four key pillars of corporate governance: structure, processes, systems, and values. I also spoke about the role of board of directors and how they are entrusted with the responsibility to ensure corporate governance in any organization. Today I am going to talk about the four key principles of corporate governance which are fundamental to ensure that these pillars of corporate governance are effective and these things are implemented in a best possible way in any organizations. The board of directors, they need to ensure that they are following those four key principles and ensuring that everything in the organization is a reflection around those four key principles. So let's understand what are these four key principles are. These four key principles are accountability, transparency, fairness, and responsibilities. Let's pick each of these principles one by one. Accountability. First of all, the board of directors, they need to ensure that the management, senior leadership team, including the operational and the functional heads, they are accountable for their actions and they report to board for their key decisions and the actions that they are taking. Likewise, they need to ensure that as a board of directors, they themselves are accountable to the shareholders, to the owners of the company, and they are open for scrutiny for their actions and the decisions that affect the shareholders pertaining to the decisions and the actions that they have taken for the company. The second key principles of corporate governance is transparency. Board of directors need to ensure that everything, all actions and decisions related to the company's performance, the financial performance, the key material decisions, including the decisions taken where the related party transactions are involved, the structure, the change in the ownership or the governance model, everything need to be disclosed in a transparent manner, in a timely and accurately manner to the shareholders and all the relevant stakeholders who are concerned and are affected with those decisions and the actions. Now let's talk about the third key principle. The third key principle is about the fairness. The board of directors need to ensure that all the shareholders, whether those are minority or the majority shareholders, they are treated equally, unbiased, and any of their issues or concerns are addressed in an equitable manner to make sure that all the stakeholders and the shareholders, their interests are being taken care in a no differentiating manner. This is very important to ensure a good governance model in any organization. Last but not the least, the fourth important principle is the responsibility. They need to ensure that everybody understand their responsibility, they demonstrate and they live on their responsibility with utmost honesty, integrity, and they are ready to be scrutinized for their actions and the decisions that they take. The board of directors also need to ensure that with the sense of that responsibility, there is a clarity about the various stakeholders and the cooperations between the organizations and the internal and the external stakeholders to ensure that there is a sustainable generation of the wealth and wealth, employment, and economic prosperity for everyone. So if I have to repeat, what are these four key principles? These are accountability, transparency, fairness, and responsibilities. So board of directors, this is their responsibility to make sure that the four key pillars of corporate governance are implemented following those four key principles and making sure that there is a good governance framework and a good governance model is in place. And this ensures the success of any organization. In one of my next video, I'll also talk about what are the benefits of having a good governance model in place and how the external and internal stakeholders consider that organization and what are the benefits come to their way if they follow a good governance model. With that, I'll close my talk for today. I hope you like this useful. If you like this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, Business Basics. I'd also love to hear from you if there are any other business topics that you want me to talk about. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.